everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified when I upload a new video. Today is going to be yet again another try on haul. I added a lot of things to my summer wardrobe and did a lot of shopping. So this time it's going to be from Boohoo. It's the first time I've ever shopped from there, and I kind of wanted to turn this into like a series of shopping at places I've never bought from before. So I have a few on my list, but please let me know some ideas down below of your favorite stores so I can check them out and review the clothing and see if I found my new favorite store. So I've seen Boohoo quite a bit and it's always being advertised on my Facebook. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna see what clothes they have. Here is the bag. I just got it in the mail and it is massive. It can't even fit into frame. That's how big it is. So I did a pretty big order. It arrived this morning. So just my luck, as I was filming videos today, I could film this one as well. Please correct me if I'm saying it wrong, but I'm just gonna call it Boohoo for the rest of this video. And let's open this giant bag of clothes, shall we? A lot of fun things in here. I see a lot of cute colors, so I can't wait to just open up the clothes. I'm so excited for this haul. And first thing I got was this hot pink. What is this? Oh, this is the dress that I wanted. Ta-da! Here is the dress. It has this cute off the shoulder sleeve, but it also has straps to hold you up, and it just goes out into the skater skirt. I find this dress to be super flattering on me, and I prefer dresses in this silhouette. So yeah, it's hot pink. You know my neon hot pink obsession, and I have to have neon hot pink in all my hauls apparently. So yeah, I picked this up. Next up we have this blue skirt. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a little wrinkly, but oh well. So it is this cute little blue skirt. So I love wearing this kind of blue during the summer, and this kind of material, I'm not sure what it is. I forgot to mention I got everything in a size 16 because that's usually my normal size. So if you wanted to know that, I got everything in a US size 16. Here is this skirt. It's going to be a summer staple, that's for sure. It's elasticated on the back, which is nice, and on the front it's just a simple band, and it has a ruffle down below. That is the skirt that I picked up. So here is the tank top. It has these cute little like ties up here to scrunch up, and it's just a super long cute red top. I love wearing a lot of bright colors in the summer. Can't wait to style that and wear it. So I got this cute just basic t-shirt, and it just has a floral print. I just love t-shirts like this. I got this t-shirt and it says dun, 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 Quarantine Queen. I thought this was just super funny and super random, and something that I can remember 2020 by, that we were stuck in quarantine, and since my last name starts with Q, it's rare to find things that say Q on it. Next up we have this lilac top. I've been wanting to add more purples and lilacs into my wardrobe. Here it is. It's just this cute like purple top with these fun sleeves on it. It's see-through and it has like a floral print. I love it. It's like a princessy top. I love the puff sleeve detail. Oh, and it goes even longer. So it even has like the thing on the wrist, the ruffly wrist thing. I love that. I love the sleeves on this. So yeah, I picked this purple top up. Another lilac kind of item. I didn't really technically buy this to wear with each other, but since they are the same color, maybe I can turn it into an outfit. Ta-da! I got a lilac skater style skirt. I love skirts like this. They're so flattering, and it looks pretty long. Honestly, this is the longest one I think we've had in a haul so far. So this is what it looks like. I just find these so flattering. Can't get enough of skirts like this, so I had to pick up one in a purple. This is the last clothing item that I picked up, and I think this is probably going to be my favorite, and I had to buy it. This is the first thing I put into my cart. It's a two-piece loungewear set. So I've been seeing these all over different websites, and I just couldn't find one that I really liked until I saw this one. Just this cute little like short set. It has ruffles on the bottom. It is this cute like ruffle crop top. It has ruffles down below. It's so cute. I love the color. I'm super excited to try this one on in particular. Even though I got a lot of like dressy stuff, I'm excited about the loungewear. So yeah, this is going to be perfect for me. The last thing in the bag is a bag. So here it is. It's kind of like a dupe to the Bottega Veneta. I hope I'm saying that right. So you know that funky bag that's been so trendy. I usually buy designer dupes for the bags that I truly want to get in the future, but I saw this one and I thought it was so cute, and for the price I thought, why not try the trend? I don't have anything like it in my collection, and I thought, you know what, maybe I should just try something out of my comfort zone. It opens up like this. It has a pretty good amount of space. You can put your phone, wallet, keys, stuff like that in it. It also has a strap, so if you wanted to wear it crossbody, you can totally do that. That is the unboxing portion. Now let's head on to the fun part and style all the clothes. Here we are for the Boohoo try-on portion. So only the skirt and the bag is from Boohoo. But I wanted to style it for something else, and a lot of these outfits are like 4th of July themed. Just add a pop of red to this outfit and you got yourself red, white, and blue. I think this is such a sweet summer look, so I went with a lot of neutrals and then a pop of blue. So white headband, this white top, I featured it in my H&M haul, so that is where you saw this. And then the skirt is what I'm going to focus on. Look how pretty it is. I just love the ruffle and skirts like this. This silhouette really flatters my body type. I didn't size up or size down. It fits perfectly. It has an elastic waistband in the back, so it's really stretchy, so it stretches over my hips so I can put it on. I'm wearing it about a little high-waisted. I'm gonna talk about this bag. Oh, it's so cute. So it is the designer dupe, and I think it looks really well with this outfit and kind of reminds me of like I'm in a sky, like I'm the cloud. This is the shape of the cloud. We have the white fluffy clouds, the blue sky. I don't know. It's just super cute. And then just some white bow flats. They look super cute with it, and it matches the whole entire look. So yeah, that is the first outfit that I'm styling in this Boohoo try-on haul. Here is the second outfit that I am styling, and all of this is Boohoo but my hair bow and the shoes. Believe it or not, this is not a dress. It is actually a top and a skirt. I saw this top and I thought, you know what, that is fit for a princess. I want it. And then the skirt, I just love having these in my wardrobe. They're essential for me. So just a basic skater skirt. I'm wearing size 16 in both, so it fits quite comfortably. This is a little bit long. I think it hits about right here, and it's just tucked in. It doesn't look good without it being tucked in. I have it about right here. This is where I usually wear skirts, and it's a little longer than usual, which I kind of like, but it's not a mini or a midi size, so I don't know where it falls in between. I have a purple hair bow in my hair to match, and then this bag again to pair with it. And these shoes are my tie-up espadrilles, and it makes me feel like a ballerina, so like the tie-up point shoes. And then this makes me feel like a ballerina princess. I really need to go to like a garden party or a wedding now, because I totally would wear this. This is the second outfit that I'm styling with the stuff I bought, and so far I'm really into it. So this is the third look. This is such a pretty dress. It's the perfect hot pink shade. I'm wearing a size 16, and it fits me quite well. So I love how the body fits, and the length is perfect. It's just the sleeves are a teeny bit big, but it gives you room to move. So can't complain about that. Just have all my hot pink accessories, hot pink headband, hot pink bag, hot pink shoes that are really hard to walk in. That is my third outfit. I super love this though. It's so cute, and I wish I could have found somewhere to go wear this to, because I would love to head out in this outfit. Now we're gonna move on to some casual looks, because the last two, technically three, have been very dressy, so let's make it more casual, shall we? So here is a perfect look for 4th of July. I mean, honestly, it's just so cute. So this top is pretty oversized, but I tied it. I'll show it to you later what it looks like when it's just long, but I like how I styled it here with the tie in the middle because it like cinches me in and doesn't make me look as frumpy. But the sleeves are a little long. I mean, I could have folded them, but I didn't. It's already oversized, so if you don't want a oversized look, just size down. I have some cute accessories, red headband, a red bag, and then we have some white shoes. So this is just an epitome of a perfect summer day outfit, perfect for 4th of July. So here is the tee. As I said, it is pretty big on me. I think it would be okay with leggings. That's how long it is in the back. There we have it, and OOTD. And here we are with the 5th outfit. So it's another 4th of July inspired look. This top is really long. It's the only thing from Boohoo. I'll have to show it to you. I think it's up to here. So if you're short enough, it can be a dress, but not on me. But it will be perfect with leggings. I just love a denim skirt during the summer. Have a white bag, white shoes, white headband, and scrunchie. This top has bows on it, and it like scrunches in, so you can make it tighter if you want to. And it has a v-neck, which is nice, and it was super affordable. So this is how long it is. It is super long, so it can be a cute tank top dress if you're not as tall as me. So that was that look, and looks kind of weird now that it's not tucked in, but it was a super cute outfit earlier before I messed it up. And here we have the 6th look. It's really cozy and casual, and this is pretty much what I've been wearing in quarantine. And speaking of which, it says Quarantine Queen on it. It is really long. It's up to here on me. So if you're not 5'9", you can definitely wear it as a t-shirt dress. I mean, I can get away with it here in the house. I can probably just wear it with nothing underneath. If I'm by myself, I can either tie it up if I wanted to, tuck it in. It's pretty long wearing it with leggings. So yeah, you can see it stops right here on me. And I was gonna go with an all black look, but I was too lazy to go find some black shoes. So black headband, black crossbody bag, black leggings, white shoes. Oh, well, it kind of matches the font. Anyways, that is the 6th outfit that I'm styling for today's try on haul. I'm saving the best for last. I love this. As soon as I opened it, you know how excited I was. I paired it with a hair scrunchie, so it matches perfectly. And then some pink fluffy slippers from Express. And I'm so glad that I got a size 16. I was gonna size up, but I decided everything is 16. Let's just try it, and I'm glad I did. So here's a little close-up of it. It has the ruffle down here, the ruffle down here, and the shorts aren't the shortest in the world. You can see that it's not showing any booty. It's covering me. I am wearing them quite high-waisted. The sweater is like a crop top kind of cut. It has that extra ruffle, but I like to have my stomach covered, so I had to have the shorts a little higher than I usually do it. But overall, I'm fine with it. I guess I could give you an overall review about what I thought. So this was like a first impression. I've never bought from Boohoo before. This is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own money. I chose everything that I wanted. The shipping was super fast. I think it came in less than a week, and it came from the UK. Everything is so cute and just my style on that site. So I'm definitely going to shop again. That was my review about it and everything I thought about clothing from Boohoo. I'm just going to roll the outro now. And that is it for the try on haul. I hope you enjoyed all the pieces that I styled, and also I will link everything down below in the description, all the outfits that I wore, all the pieces that I bought. So check them out there. I always link everything that I mention in my videos, as well as all my social medias. I have Instagram, and you can also check out my fashion blog, which is fashionxfairytale.com. So I will link my Walmart try on haul as well as my H&M try on haul down below in the description as well if you missed watching those. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in our next video. Bye everyone!